A is for American crow.
B is for black-footed ferret. Chitter, chitter. C is for collared dove. Coo, 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 coo.
D is for deer.
E is for emerald ash borer. Click, click.
F is for false widow spider.
Click, click. G is for garter snake. H is for horned owl. I is for Indian flying fox.
J is for Javanese toad.
K is for Kashmir cave bat.
L is for lesser prairie chicken.
M is for Malayan tiger.
N is for narrow-headed soft-shell turtle. O is for ochre-rumped antbird.
P is for plumed basilisk. Q is for Queensland tube-nosed bat.
R is for ruddy duck.
S is for spectacled bear.
T is for tree swallow. U is for Underwood's long-tongued bat.
Chirp, chirp.
V is for vivid dancer.
Click, click.
W is for wallaroo. Thump, thump. X is for Xanthus's hummingbird.
Chip, chip. Y is for yellow anaconda.
Z is for zebra longwing. The letter Z, heliconius.
Peed. Click, click. D is for desert bighorn sheep. Bleat, bleat.
E is for Ensatina salamander.
F is for frog hopper.
G is for golden mole.
Rustle, rustle.
H is for humphead bat.
I is for insect.
J is for Javan hawk eagle.
A is for Katanga masked weaver.
Chirp, chirp.
L is for long-tailed tit.
Trill, trill.
M is for muskox.
N is for narrow-headed softshell turtle.
Gulp, gulp.
O is for orangutan.
P is for pine siskin.
S is for spiny mouse.
R is for rhinoceros.
Snort, snort.
S is for superb lyrebird.
Song, song.
T is for tamarin. Chirp.
U is for unstriped ground squirrel.
V is for Vietnamese leaf-nosed snake. The letter V, rhinolophus.
W is for wood sandpiper.
X is for Xanthusia.
Y is for Yunnan snub-nosed monkey.
Z is for zokor. The letter Z, Myospalax.
One more. Yes, yes, yes. F is for flamingo tongue snail. Rasp, rasp.
G is for giant isopod.
Click, click.
H is for Himalayan tahr.
Ba, ba.
I is for Indian roof turtle.
J is for Javan pond heron.
K is for Kalahari wall gecko. Gek, 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 gek.
L is for lion-tailed macaque. M is for martin. N is for North American porcupine.
Grunt, grunt, grunt. O is for obscure bird grasshopper.
Chirp, chirp.
P is for pearl-spotted owlet.
Q is for quail.
R is for rock agama.
S is for saiga. T is for tiny gecko. U is for unicolor tapaculo.
V is for Virginia rail, kiddick, kiddick. The letter V, rallis.
W is for wood sandpiper.
X is for Jingu dwarf caiman. Hiss, hiss.
Y is for yellow-rumped warbler. The letter Y, setopaga.
Z is for zebra-tailed lizard. Shh, shh. The letter Z, Callosaurus.